I'm Pradeep and I work as Head Business Development for Dialogue in the Dark India. And basically Dialogue in the Dark has come for the first time. We have come up with a new concept called Traveling Exhibition. We have right now present at Cine Planet Kompally for 60 days. The whole idea of making a traveling exhibition and getting and taking it to different places is we want to sensitize each and every person in this India towards disability. Why disability? Basically, I want to make everyone know that India is a country with almost 100 million people in our country are disabled. It's almost 10 crore people are disabled. And we wanted to show everyone and tell everyone that they are not disabled, they are differently able people. And we wanted to treat them like normal people like us in the society. We wanted to bridge the gap between sighted and visually impaired. The project basically Dialogue in the Dark is providing meaningful employment for visually impaired people. Worldwide we are already present in 30 countries and 110 cities, and now in the whole Asian subcontinent Dialogue in the Dark has come for Indian audience. And we have already opened Dialogue Center in Inorbit Mall, High Tech City. We have started this in 2011 April. And in almost 600 days in Hyderabad, we got quite good response from all the audience of Hyderabad, and we crossed 1 lakh visitors in just 600 days in Hyderabad. So we thought it would be a good idea if we make a traveling exhibition, take to different parts of the country, so that a lot of people can come and have this lifetime experience. Why is this called a lifetime experience? Basically, Dialogue in the Dark experience have been also listed in Forbes, the world's best magazine, in the category the best 25 unforgettable experiences that one should do in their lives before they die. So you guys all of you can imagine what kind of experience is this. So we want all of you, and sincere request that we'll be available in Cine Planet Kompally for the next 60 days. We request the Kompally and in and around 5 kilometer radius audience to come and have this experience. And next we are traveling to Dilsukh Nagar. So we are also going to set up Dialogue in the Dark traveling exhibition next in Dilsukh Nagar after 60 days.